Good morning, class. Before we start our class today, let's pray. Everyone, stand up. Who are going to lead the prayer? Okay, let's pray. Remain standing. Class, do you know the Darna clap, the Superman clap, the Jollibee clap, and the McDo clap? Okay, today I'm going to introduce to you the Darna clap, the Superman clap, the Jollibee clap, and the McDo clap. Class, are you ready? Let's do the Darna clap. Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Ding! Ang bato, Darna. Okay, one more time. Clap 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Darna. How about the Superman clap? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And shout, Superman. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Superman. How about the Jollibee clap? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bida ang saya. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Bida ang saya. Okay, how about the McDo clap? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say, love ko to. One more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Love ko to. Okay, class, you may take your seat. Good morning, class. Who is absent today? Very good. No one is absent today. Class, do you still remember what is our lesson yesterday? Anyone? Anyone in this group? Okay, very good. Our lesson for today is all about the World War II. What is the Philippines after World War II? Who can answer? Okay, very good. Now, before we proceed to our class, I'm going to show a picture and tell me who is in the picture. Alright, this is the first picture and tell me who is in the picture. Very good, this is Manuel Rujas. How about the second picture? That's correct, this is Elpidio Quirino. How about this picture? Very good. It is Ramon Magsaysay. How about this one? Very good. This is Carlos Garcia. Let's proceed. Who can tell me who is in the picture? Very good. This is Diosdado Macapagal. For the last picture, who can tell me who is in the picture? Very good. This is Ferdinand Marcos.
Okay, now class, do you have any idea what is our topic today? Any idea? How about this group? You have any idea what is our topic for today? Okay. Today we are going to learn what is the Third Republic. So, who can read what is the Third Republic? Okay, please stand. Very good. Now, the Third Republic of the Philippines was inaugurated July 4, 1946. It marked the culmination of the peaceful campaign for the Philippines' independence. The two landmarks of which the enactment of the Jones Law in 1916, in which the U.S. Congress pledged independence for the Philippines. Once the Filipinos have proven their capability for self-government and the Philippines Independence Act of 1934, popularly known known as Tardings McDuffie, which put in place a 10-year transition period during which the Philippines had Commonwealth status. So, let's proceed with our next topic. Now, who can be the president of the Third Republic? Okay, please stand up. Okay, very good. The president of the Third Republic is Manuel A. Rojas. Last president of the Commonwealth term, May 28, 1946. First president of the Third Republic of the Philippines. Term, July 4, 1946, April 15, 1948. So achievements is propose that parity of rights, an amendment that Filipinos refuse. Next, who can read? The second. Okay. Okay, very good. Please set down. So, second is Elpidio Quirino. Second President of the Third Republic of the Philippines. Third is April 17, 1948 and November 10, 1953. So, achievements niya is the create some president of actions of Committee on Social Amelioration, Stability, establish rural banks and labor management of boards. So let's proceed. So who can read? The number 3 is, okay, please stand and read. Okay, very good. Please sit down. Okay, Ramon Magsaysay, the third president of the Third Republic of the Philippines. His term in December 30, 1953, March 17, 1957, and his achievements best known for successfully defeating the communist lead Hukbalahap. Do you know what is Hukbalahap? So meaning is hukbuhan laban sa Hapon. Okay. Movement idol of the masses, champion of democracy and freedom fighter. So who can read what is the, okay, who can read Carlos P. Garcia? Okay, please stand up. Okay, very good, thank you. Please sit down. Fourth president of the Third Republic of the Philippines, his term is March 18, 1957 to December 30, 1961. Okay, next. Achievements of Carlos P. Garcia is the famous for his austerity program and policy. He maintained the strong tradition as the United States and sought the closer relation with the non-communist Asian countries. So next, we will read this Diosdado Macapagal. Okay, stand up. Okay, very good. So, this is the 5th President of the Third Republic of the Philippines. His term is December 30, 1961, December 30, 1965. So, best known as the champion of common man and the poor boy from Lubao. So, next, with Ferdinand Marcos. Okay. So, okay, thank you. Sit down. 6th President of the Third Republic of the Philippines. First term, 1965-1969. Had a slogan, this nation can be great again. Okay. Built different roads and bridge frames and PNR. Introduction of Miracle na Rice. Held the Manila. Summit the conference in 1966. So, Ferdinand Marcos is yung first term niya. Kami second term pa din siya class. So, an additional natutunan, okay? So, since everyone know what is the Third Republic, we will have an activity. Let us count 1 to 3, starting with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So, now, group 1 in this area, group 2 in this area, and group 3 in this area. Now I have here a white envelope. I will give it to you. Now I have here a white envelope. I will give you into each group. So this is the group 1. And this is the group 2. And this is the group 3. Get and read the instruction. You have 2 minutes to answer. Work as a team to cooperate and help one another. So I will give you 2 minutes to finish the activity. After you answer, if you are already done, pass it to me. Okay, class, are you done? Finish your activity. Okay, class, you did very well. Let me ask you again, what is the Third Republic? Who can read what is the Third Republic? Okay, please sit down. Very good. Is there anything anything question? You have what about our discussion? Okay, very good. Is everyone already knew about the Third Republic? Now keep your things inside of your bag and only pencil and paper in your desk, and get 1/4 sheet of paper and answer the following question in this form. So, the question is, list down the all president of the Third Republic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, please answer. You're all done, class? Okay, let's check your work. Number 1, who is the first president? Okay, very good. Manuel Rojas. Next, the second president. Okay, very good. The video. Very good. So,
Wait lang.
So, who is the third? Okay, Ramon Del Firo Magsaysay. Ramon Magsaysay. Number 4. Okay. Is the okay. Number 4. Carlos Garcia. Very good. Number 5. Okay. Islado Macapagal. Number 6, okay, Ferdinand Marcos. Okay. Now get your assignment notebook and copy. Okay, please copy. You're done copying your assignment. Okay, very good. So now, do you have any question about our topic? Okay, very good. Now, goodbye class. Okay, class dismissed.